We'll stick it together. I'll put the wheels on just to lift it up. Make sure it's in the off position. Yes. Put that in there. In there. Put a rubber band across there to hold it in place. Although it's not going to drop anywhere, we're not flying it. Better follow the instructions. How to operate. Okay, we've put it in. Make sure it's still warm, yes. Make sure the switch is in the off position, yes, did that. Turn the plane on. Okay. Be careful not to press the start button. Make sure the transmitter switch is in the off position, yes. Turn the transmitter on. Check if the rudder moves. No. Could it be jammed? Definitely in the on position. Not a lot happening there. That's a bit disappointing. Okay, what happens if we press the on button? Nothing happening. Well, the battery still feels warm. But it doesn't look like we've got any success. Out of desperation, try a 2.7. Nope. So there we go, disappointing. Not unexpected. Wow, did you see that? I've just put it down. I've done nothing else. Maybe some loose wires there somewhere. Yeah, it stopped again now. I think we got loose wires in the connector. Got control. But only while I'm holding that. Yeah, it's stopped again now. So we got loose wires. Loose wires in the connector. What happens if we press this button? Motor runs. Looks like I'll have to have a look at that connector. It is literally just that connector. So there it is, fully assembled. I'm surprised, but it does work. But I will have to do a bit more work on that battery connection. Hopefully in close-up you can see the green on that terminal there. That appears to be the problem. It's a bit corroded. So I've just sprayed some special fluid on there that should help. I left that battery charging for about another couple of hours. Obviously I've already taken it out of the charger and put it in the plane, but I thought I'd better just do the measurements again. That's actually dropped off quite a bit now already. It came out at about 5.6. Let's have a look with nothing plugged in. Well, 5.4 again at the moment. Fresh out of the charger it was showing 5.6. I've read that they should show anything up to about 5.9 or even 6 volts fresh out of the charger. So I think this little NiCad may be past its best. I've had a quick look on the web. I can get the same size in nickel metal hydride for about £4.70. So I might go ahead and buy one anyway. I seem to have cured the problem with the connector. Because that seems to be alright now that I've sprayed the terminals to get rid of the green corrosion. And now it's cut out anyway because the voltage has probably dropped. So that was about 20 seconds of flying time there. Yeah, it's cutting off straight away now. So I think it looks like a new battery. So that's about a fiver, about £5 additional cost on top of the cost of the plane to begin with. This is why I'm not so keen on buying these radio controlled aeroplanes and helicopters and that sort of thing. If they've got this sort of battery in them, then it's pretty likely you're going to have to change it, especially if this one was, what's this, about 20 years old. So it's done well. So before we see it fly, I might have to buy a battery.